Today I'm going to show you how to make Mercury glass pumpkins, and we're going to get the high-end look for less.
Come a little closer, I want to dance with you, everything's moving slower.
How to make Mercury glass pumpkins. All you need are glass pumpkin-shaped containers with a lid, a hair dryer, a water bottle that has equal parts water and vinegar in it, and then looking glass spray paint. First things first, the looking glass paint has a very strong odor, so make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area. Do this outside or crack open a door or a window. We're going to start out with a couple spritzes of the looking glass paint. Look at my cute little helper. And we're going to repeat this step a couple of times with the looking glass spray paint. And we're just going to make sure that all of the inside of the glass is coated. So just kind of turn and roll it around a little bit. And we're going to repeat this step several times. Next, we're going to add a couple of spritzes of the vinegar solution. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to shake that solution and roll it around on the inside of the container. And I kind of want to show you like the real time of this, so you can begin to see the Mercury glass look start to form right here. And as we continue to repeat the process with the looking glass spray paint and the vinegar solution, what's going to happen is it causes a chemical reaction, and that's how we get this really cool Mercury glass look.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
I'm repeating the process with the Mercury glass spray paint and the vinegar solution, and just shake that around the container a couple more times until I get that look of the Mercury glass that I like. That's really up to you of when you decide to stop, but I wanted mine to be a little bit more of that Mercury glass look, so I decided to continue going.
I'm going crazy for you, I feel like the ocean.
Then we're going to use our hair dryer to set the looking glass and the vinegar solution in place. And I'm just going to add a little heat around the inside of the container. If you do have any excess liquid, you can dump that out onto a paper plate or a paper bowl. And then we're just going to repeat this process again until we get the desired Mercury glass look that we like.
Dance with you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you, I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you, I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
I let the pumpkins dry overnight, and then I added a battery-operated tea light on the inside of each one of these pumpkins. Now, I really think that these Mercury glass pumpkins look high-end, but we made them, and we made them for a lot less. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week where we have more fall and Halloween ideas to come. Please subscribe to my channel and follow along so you never miss a DIY or a decor idea this holiday season.